No, that has to go on YouTube.
You?
You're like, nope.
Nope. On a normal day. I'm making fun of my lip thing. Fifth hour ends at 12:30. Is that funny? 11:35 and 12:30.
Wait, what?
I'm figuring out what time fifth hour ends.
What time's fifth hour end?
I'm on 4C ends at 11:35 and fifth hour ends at